Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP. ABAP tip 32. So basically in this video I would like to show and explain to you a useful tip to download your ABAP program locally. So here right now we are in the built-in ABAP editor in the object navigator, so in the transaction SE80, and here I have opened up a sample program. And imagine that you would like to download this program locally. So therefore here as mentioned you can just use Control A, then you're using Control C, then you open up any target editor that you want to, like Word, like Notepad, or whatever you're using there. Control V to paste in this coding, and then you save it locally with Control S, and then you have saved your coding. As you can see, a couple of steps needed. A functionality is available directly in the ABAP editor, and therefore you can use the key combination Control, Shift, and S. Once you've used or hit these keys, then here you can save, open up the Windows Explorer and the Save As Explorer, and here you can basically specify the path where you would like to download your file, and here you can, if you want to change the file name. So there you can just click on Save, and then if you open up this file basically, so here I have it in Notepad, and then you have saved your coding locally. So, and yeah, basically, if you quickly would like to download it, Control, Shift, and S is the shortcut that you can use. And if you have any questions left, please put them in the comment section. Please like this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to not miss great upcoming videos. There are still 68 great videos left about tips and tricks in ABAP. So stay tuned and see you in the next video.